Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting vehicles for travel enthusiasts, the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Toyota has blended innovation, comfort, and performance into one futuristic package that's redefining what it means to explore the open road. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a luxury home on wheels built for modern adventurers who demand both technology and toughness. From the first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is striking and modern. It carries Toyota's latest design philosophy: clean lines, aerodynamic contours, and a bold stance that gives it a premium, futuristic look. The large panoramic windshield provides wide visibility for long drives, while the sleek LED headlights and taillights wrap around the body for a sophisticated touch. The front grille is integrated seamlessly with the body, giving it a smooth and aerodynamic flow. The motorhome sits on large, durable, all-terrain tires that make it ready for any adventure, whether on highways or rugged landscapes. Toyota's engineers have made sure this vehicle is not just stylish but also functional. The power-operated awning, roof-mounted solar panels, and smart entry system add convenience for those long trips off the grid. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a five-star suite. Toyota has created an environment that blends comfort, luxury, and technology in perfect harmony. The cabin is spacious, featuring high-quality materials with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to your mood. The large panoramic windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and inviting. The layout includes a cozy lounge area with a convertible sofa, a full kitchenette equipped with an induction stove, a smart refrigerator, and even an automated coffee maker. The sleeping area features a memory foam bed, climate control, and privacy blinds for ultimate relaxation. The bathroom setup is compact yet functional, with a rain shower, modern fixtures, and water-saving technology. Everything inside is designed with the traveler's convenience in mind, including multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging pads, and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen that controls lighting, climate, and entertainment. When it comes to performance, Toyota didn't hold back. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with advanced electric motors, delivering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Together, they produce around 400 horsepower, allowing this large motorhome to move smoothly and effortlessly, even when fully loaded. The hybrid system also provides regenerative energy that charges the onboard batteries, which can then power interior electronics and systems. The motorhome's intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stable handling on any terrain, while the adaptive suspension offers a smooth ride, whether you're cruising through the city or climbing mountain trails. Toyota's advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. One of the highlights of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is its smart energy management system. The built-in solar panels work with the hybrid battery to provide sustainable power during long trips, reducing fuel consumption and making it ideal for off-grid adventures. There's also an option for full electric mode for short distances, which means you can drive silently and emission-free through eco-zones or campsites. As for pricing, Toyota is offering multiple trims to suit different needs and budgets. The base model starts around $160,000, offering all essential features for comfortable travel. The mid-range luxury trim, packed with more advanced tech and upgraded interiors, is expected to be around $190,000. The top-of-the-line Platinum Edition, featuring full smart automation, solar roof extension, and premium entertainment system. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is a game-changer in the world of travel vehicles. It brings together Toyota's trusted reliability, cutting-edge technology, and a level of comfort that turns every journey into a luxurious adventure. Whether you're heading into the mountains, cruising along the coast, or exploring off-road terrains, this motorhome ensures you travel with confidence, comfort, and style. So what do you think of Toyota's new take on the motorhome lifestyle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more futuristic car reviews and adventures on wheels.